All right, welcome to the channel. Quick auto park video for you guys here today. All right, so just hit start and let the car park itself. So here we go. We are actually parking into some free EV charging, which is located here at the Dulles Mall. All right, so we got a pedestrian in front of us now. Let's see what it does. Should straighten itself out and use the camera system and the sensors to center itself between the two lines here. Let's see how it does now. I think it sees the cord in the way. But yeah, shout out to Volta. We got free charging over here, which is awesome. All you gotta do is, if you have a Tesla, use your J1772 adapter that came with the car, and let's see how long it takes to plug in. And just like that, we are plugged in. It looks like I'm at 30%, so I'm gonna have to leave it here for, it says 7 hours, but I'm probably only gonna leave it here for like 2 to 3 hours and see what I get from that. All right, well, I want to thank everyone for watching this video. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.